Hey guys, welcome back to Noel Deasy Cars. My name's Phil and I've got a great little run around to show you today. This is the 2021 Seat Ibiza Xcellence 1 litre TSI 95 brake horsepower engine. Let me show you around. You have the Seat badge in the middle with the chrome surrounds on the grille, daytime running lights, 16-inch alloys, chrome surrounds on the windows which are tinted at the back, LED tail lights and rear sensors. Stunning interior, your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay on the infotainment screen and a multifunction leather steering wheel. Great boot with a full-size spare wheel. This car is priced to sell, it won't last long. Contact us on 021 439 5024 or pop onto our website at noeldc.com.